Presentation and Speech Work 11.1 Unit 3.
Speak right.
Vowel contrast A and R. In this lesson, we'll be contrasting two sounds that are often confused. A major difference between the sounds is that one is long and the other is short. The sounds are A and R. Listen and repeat the contrasts. A, R, A, R, A, R. The difference between these two sounds is more clearly noticed in American English, where the sound A is said like a combination of A and E. Listen. American English. A, A, A. British English. A, A, A. Also, A is spelled with the letter A and sometimes AI, while R is spelled with A, AR, AL, AU, EAR, and UA. Let us contrast the sounds with some word examples. Cat, caught, back, bark, Pam, palm, Gad, God, hat, heart. Can you provide some more contrasting word examples? Now, listen to these pauses and see if you can pick out some A and R words. Guard your heart. Your heart is the seat of all thoughts. All the actions you take begins with a thought. When you allow the thought to grow, it leads to action. This can be either good or bad. If you allow good thoughts to take root in your heart, they will blossom and grow and make you a better person. For example, a good thought to have would be to be diligent in your studies. When you study hard, you will make good grades. But more importantly, you will develop some good habits like patience and understanding. However, if you keep thinking bad thoughts, you will develop bad habits, and that will make you a bad person. For example, if you are always thinking that you are better than other people, you will begin to look down on them. This will make you proud and boastful. Those are bad traits to have. You must always guard your heart. Can you find the 5 words in the passage with the A and R sounds? I'm your speech coach, Chris Nkwacha. Own it. Use it. Speak the English the world understands.